And now, breaking news. In the fiber optics industry, the Yamasaki 100 gigabit range of QSFPs are available from Anderson Corporation and are ready to ship at your request. The Yamasaki 100G QSFP is the next generation of QSFP modules from Yamasaki. They are lightweight and compact and ensures ease of maintenance, installation, and durability. The Yamasaki 100G QSFPs come in MTP, MPO, and duplex LC connector types and offers hot swapping capabilities, allowing the QSFP to be swapped out while the power is still on, preventing the need for any network downtime. Ranging from 100 meters to 80 kilometers, Yamasaki has a product to suit within the data and telecommunications space. The Yamasaki 100G QSFPs are compatible with most brands like Cisco and HP. So let Anderson know the make and model of your switch and we'll make certain that the Yamasaki 100G QSFPs are correctly coded so your team is good to go. And as always, Yamasaki products are available from Anderson. So if you wish to get more information about the Yamasaki 100 gigabit SFPs, visit Anderson's website as shown down below.